Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to create the simple model by using Solidworks. First of all, click on File, New, then choose Part. Click on top plane, create sketch, choose a center rectangle, then create a rectangle with 62 and 110. So this is the base, 110. Click on Future and extrude base, extrude by 16mm thickness, 16mm, then click OK. Now let's create the back shape, so let's flip the direction and choose the back face, create sketch, normal to, click on line, then create the shape, go back to this point and create arc and close the shape. Create a center line from the origin point. This arc is 22 because 44 divided by 2, so it's 22mm radius. Let's create a relation between this. Before we create the relation, the dimension from the center of the arc until this edge is 64. Okay. Now let's create a relation between this line and this line is equal, and from this line and this line by click on control, then choose it by left click and do symmetric. So now it's fully defined. Let's create two circles from the center of the arc. This is the first one and here's the second one. The diameter of this circle is 26mm because the inner circle is 26 diameter and the outer circle is 22 radius. Radius is 22. Go to Future and extrude base. Choose this part and this part and reverse the direction. So it's 14mm thickness. 14mm thickness. Click OK. Then go to the last sketch and extrude base again. Choose the outer circle. Reverse the direction. So it's 14 because from this face and I go to this and I go this way. So it's 14 plus 18. 14 plus 18 equals 32. I choose the second direction and its back direction, so it is 50 minus 14 plus 18, so it's let the Solidworks calculate it. 15 minus 18 plus 14, it's 18mm. Now 32 plus 18 is 50mm, so it's correct. Now click OK and here we go. Now let's create this rib. We click on let's see, the front plane and create sketch, normal to, create a line from this edge until here, and because it's black, so it's defined. Go to Future and click on rib, flip the arrow to the opposite side with thickness 14mm, and click OK. So this is our shape. Now we just let's create these two holes. So First of all, let's choose this face and create sketch, normal tool, create a circle, and let's create another circle here. So the distance from the center to this line is 24 millimeter, and from this circle to this line is 24 as well. The diameter of the both circles is 12. Click on this circle and click on equal. The diameter, the dimension from this center to this line is 20 millimeter. Now it's defined, and this is 20 as well. Go to future and extrude cut from up to next, then click OK. So here we go, we create the shape as it's shown in the picture. Let's specify a color, so click on appearance, then let's choose a nice color, and here we go. Click on isometric. So here we go. I hope you like this lesson. Thanks for watching, and